What's up, everybody? Today I'm going to be trying to fix this US General Harbor Freight toolbox. So about this is an open item, and the issue that it has is that when you try to close the lid, the lid hits this side piece right here. I actually noticed while I was going to start removing these rivets is that this is a little bent here. I don't know if you can see that gap. It's really hard to see in the camera. But this side has no gap here. So I'm just going to see if I can remove this, and because it kind of looks like it bent. So I think that's a little better. You can see that gap there. Put my finger in there. This side has no gap. So it looks like whoever assembled this probably or actually did bend this part here. So I'm gonna see if I can remove these. Another thing I forgot to mention, this is actually a Christmas present for my dad. So I want to make sure I don't scratch it too much. Check this out. Since I was able to remove these 4 nuts here, I was able to get this top piece, assembly piece, underneath this rivet. I kind of had to force it a little, push this up a little, and kind of just press this to force it underneath there. I mean, the rivet got a little scratched, but if you look at the lid, it no longer has the clearance issue, and it closes all the way down. Check that out. And if you look over here, I mean, it still has a little bit more clearance, but at least now it is not, or no longer, having a clearance issue here. So there you go. I bought this as an open box item, and they also applied a coupon that I had, so it was around $200, and it's a gift for my dad from my brother and I. And so just a little bit of fixing got this unit back up to 100%.